Listen up, because what I'm about to share could literally change your life. I've spent the last few years diving into every business model you can possibly imagine. We're talking email marketing, dropshipping, paid ads for brands, you name it, I've tried it. 73 different online businesses, and that's not a typo. And let me tell you, most of them are absolute disasters. In this video, I'm going to reveal the top 5 business models that have the potential to skyrocket your income in 2024 and 2025. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes or business of the month trend. These are proven, scalable business models, including one that I've personally used to generate over 6 figures in the past year and consistently make 20k a month from it. Number 1 is landing page design and optimization. This is the first online business that is absolutely crushing it right now. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't that just a small part of web design? But here's the thing. For modern businesses, a compelling landing page can literally be the difference between success and failure. I started my own business focusing on building landing pages to benefit these businesses. I helped improve their conversion rates, and within 6 months, I was able to go from $0 all the way to $20,000 per month. And that's in profit. The best part? It's entirely location independent. Here's why landing page design works so well. Every business needs a landing page. It is high in demand because it's a place that you can send all your potential clients to, where they can have a look at the work you've done, the social proof, the benefits of your service. So without one, they're just shooting in the dark. I've created pages for automation agencies, coaches, real estate businesses, consultants, you name it, I've probably done it. You can work with pretty much any industry, and the best part is they're pretty lucrative and profitable. You can charge anywhere from the beginning at $300 per page all the way up to $3,000 per page. To get started, grab a free plan on card.co or else framer.com and just start building. Then dive right into learning conversion rate optimization on YouTube. You don't want your landing pages to just look good, you want them to get actual results as well, because then you're going to get paid more. Next up is copywriting. Now this is more of a skill by itself rather than an online business, but it's still absolutely needed in the marketplace. It isn't just about writing pretty words, but more about crafting messaging that drives sales. Here's why copywriting is a goldmine. It's crucial for marketing, branding, advertising, and storytelling. Good copywriting creates valuable connections and long-term relationships between the business and their customers. If you get good at it for yourself and clients, you'll also develop a unique style that consumers and clients will actually love you for. Without good copy, any business is going to struggle. But with good copy, you're going to dramatically improve marketing, customer engagement, and overall communication. And of course, be paid handsomely for it. You can do copywriting for tons of different industries and even double down on something like email marketing or sales pages. On top of that, there are a ton of highly skilled contractors out there who you can hire to take care of the heavy lifting while you focus on your own marketing. And even if you don't decide on copywriting, it's a crucial skill for any other business model and something worth learning either way, especially if you're starting a personal brand. To get started, you can grab the book Cash for Tithing and dive into online communities focused on digital marketing and copywriting. Practice, practice, practice. See what converts and double down on it. The demand for skilled copywriters is only going to grow in 2025 and beyond, especially with things like AI coming into play, because AI still can't replace human emotion and understanding. Next up is NoCode Automation. This is one that's taking the internet by storm. We're now in the era where efficiency is king, and being skilled in automating tasks is truly invaluable. Not only that, but you can charge extremely high ticket prices as well. Here's why no-code automation is booming right now. From simple automations to complex business processes, there's so much you can do, and you don't need to really be that skilled to start it. Start small and continue to get better as you learn. Like I mentioned earlier, you can charge top dollar for businesses that are willing to pay this, and there's a lot of them. They're paying for increased efficiency, and without proper systems in place, the business is going to break as they scale. So getting an expert in that can create automations is a no-brainer for them. As more businesses realize the power of automation and buying back their time, the need for these skilled individuals is skyrocketing. With AI tools as well coming into the mix like Make and Airtable to make the processes easier and build smoother systems, businesses absolutely need this. To get started, I recommend just looking at YouTube videos that teach automation tools like Zapier and Make. Yes, there's a learning curve, but the payoff will absolutely be worth it. The fourth online business that you can start is data visualization. In 2024 and going into 25, businesses are more driven by data than ever before. They prefer to make decisions based on clear metrics rather than shooting into the dark. This leaves the floor open for professionals that can display that data in a clear, impactful manner. It caters to diverse industries from small startups to large corporations. Skilled data visualizers are in high demand but short supply right now, and companies will pay big money for accurate, insightful data visualization. To get started, look into tools like Power BI, Tableau, and Google Data Studio. The ability to turn complex data into clear, actionable insights is a skill that will be invaluable in the coming years. Next up, number 5 is video editing. This is the final one. Attention is the most valuable currency, and with everyone being addicted to their phones, being good at editing is a highly sought after skill. Businesses and content creators constantly need great quality videos, especially people in the online coaching space, which, if you didn't know, is one of the fastest growing industries, meaning you can charge high ticket. I've seen people charge $3,000 per month per client. On top of that, you can offer things like scripting, thumbnails, and even account management. So you can upsell clients on that. From long form videos to short form clips on various platforms, you can offer a variety of services and include them in different packages. There are tons of YouTube tutorials online to learn how to edit videos. If you're good at marketing, you can drop service from the start and hire a contractor to take care of editing while you find more clients. As people continue to get addicted to their phones, skilled editors, and more specifically people that know how to master the social media algorithms to go both viral and bring in clients, will be in higher demand than ever. So there you have it, the top 5 online businesses that are crushing it in 2024 and going to continue to do so in 2025. Landing page design, copywriting, no-code automation, data visualization, and video editing. Now, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. Building a successful online business takes work. It takes dedication, persistence, and a willingness to learn from your failures. But here's the thing. If you choose the right business model, put in the effort, and stay committed to your goals, the rewards are absolutely life-changing. I'm talking about financial freedom, location independence, and to live the life you fully dreamed of without worrying about clocking into your 9 to 5 the next day, or about when that next bill is going to arrive. If you're serious about building a successful online business in 2024 and 2025, I want to help you get there faster. That's why I've left a link in the description to book a call with me. It's a free consultation with no strings attached, just to see how I can help you. So if you're interested in that, click the link in the description to book a call. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe and like this video for more content. It'd mean a lot to me, and I'm going to be dropping videos like this every single week, teaching you how to build your online business. Be sure to check out my other videos for more insights, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.